Real breakdown. How much should a bathroom renovation cost in NYC? $10,000? $25,000? $50,000? The truth is, all of these can be correct. Let's start with a realistic baseline. In NYC, a standard bathroom renovation usually costs $15,000 to $35,000. For a basic remodel, $35,000 to $70,000 plus. For mid to high-end luxury projects, can go over $100,000. Labor is the biggest cost. In NYC, labor is usually 40% to 60% of the total project. You're paying for skilled work. Tile installation, plumbing, electrical, waterproofing, plus insurance, liability, and experience. Cheap labor often leads to expensive problems later. Now, materials. This is where prices change fast. Tile can be $2 or $20 per square foot. Vanity can be $300 or $3,000. Fixtures can be basic or designer. Contractors also add markup, usually 10% to 30%, because they handle sourcing, delivery, and logistics. Now, the biggest factor, scope of work. Even simple bathrooms can hide problems: old plumbing, outdated wiring, water damage, uneven floors, and waterproofing is critical in NYC. Skipping it can lead to leaks and serious damage. Now let's talk about NYC-specific costs. Permits, DOB filings, co-op or condo approvals, strict working hours, insurance requirements. These alone can add $1,000 to $10,000 or more. Time also affects the price. Faster projects cost more. More workers, tighter schedule overtime. Rush jobs are always more expensive. Now here's why quotes vary so much. You might get $18,000, $28,000, $45,000 for the same bathroom because of different experience quality standards. Risk assumptions. Lowest price is not the best choice. In NYC, you're not just paying for work, you're paying for expertise, compliance, risk management, execution. The smartest move? Not finding the cheapest contractor, but choosing the one who does it right the first time. Follow BUILD NYC HUB for real construction insights.